Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Jenny and today I'm going to be sharing a bunch of new beauty things that I have picked up. Not everything is new, but new to me. So let's jump on into it. I got a lot of the stuff at Ulta, but also some things from Walmart. I don't remember what's exactly from where. I've just kind of thrown it all in the bag, but let's jump into it. So I have been really into my nails recently. I impulsively got some nails a while back in one of my past vlogs recently. I mentioned them, but I got these two here from Kiss. They're like the Valentine's Day ones. These have like little pink hearts and then these little bows and little rhinestones. This set here are the ones that I have on, but I bought another one just because I really like them. They were part of like the Valentine's Day area stuff, even though they're not super like Valentine's Day looking to me at least. I really like them. I'm doing a whole separate video of the impress nails, just application, wear, everything like that, but I really love them. So I got a bunch more. And then also some glue ones. One thing you should know about me, born and raised in Wisconsin, I grew up in the country for a good portion of my childhood. So I love cows, and these are just so cute. I had to get them. These ones I thought were just cute also for Valentine's Day. These were just some cute, shorter nude ones, but then had like the little sparkly for like a pop of glitter. And then ironically, these are the same ones that I wore a few years back to my friend's wedding. They're more that square shape. And then these two I thought were just really pretty, simple. It's really hard to see, but these have like a bit of glitter to them. And these are like French, but like glitter tips. Yeah, so kind of obsessed. In no particular order, I got this e.l.f. Soft Glam Satin Foundation. I've heard a lot of people really like this. I have tried it a couple times and I am doing a video with like a wear test and review and application and everything. So stay tuned for that. I had to pick up another one of the e.l.f. Halo Glow in light medium. Mine is getting pretty low and I love this contour. Again, e.l.f. I am obsessed with their little lip balm. So I got this one and it's in peach. It's peach-ish. It almost reminds me of like an orange creamsicle, but more peachy than orange, but it has like a vanilla-iness to it. It is so good. And then I've seen people talk about these Glow Reviver lip oils, but these are the Glimmer Finish, and Sean picked this out for me. He said to get this one, and it is in Crystal Baller. I've been needing a new eyebrow gel for a while, so I decided to try the brow glue from NYX. I've heard a lot of people like this. I know it isn't super new, but I do really like it so far. I've used it a couple times and I feel like it really does help keep my brows in place. And then I just needed a refill on my mascara, so I got the Essence Lash Princess in the False Lash Effect. I really like this one personally. It's probably my favorite. I have been needing to buy some new eyeshadow palettes. Most of mine are pretty old and I probably shouldn't be using them anymore. And also I just want to try some new stuff for videos for you guys. This one I've had for a little bit, but I absolutely love it. It's what I have on my eyes today. It is the Juvia's Place Nubian Earth. Pinks is in the background and it's just so pretty. And then I had Sean help me pick out a few that he thought would be nice. I don't really ever do any green looks, so he wanted me to try this. And then I got a couple from ColourPop. Sean picked out this one, and this is the ColourPop palette by the Rose. It's just some pretty pinky rosy colors, and he told me I should do a Valentine's Day look with this. So if you want to see that, give this video a thumbs up and let me know. The next one I picked out, this is the ColourPop Feelin' Bubbly. It's just a really pretty neutral palette with some shimmers, but it has like some warmer goldy tones, and I just thought it was really pretty. And then I picked up a Morphe palette. I've never tried Morphe before, but I know so many people love it, so I'm really excited to finally be trying their eyeshadows. And this is the Going Platinum palette. I really love the packaging because it comes in like the little cardboard box, but then it's also wrapped up in cardboard again. Packaging is just really pretty. But look at this, like, I'm so excited to play with these. And Sean picked this out also. I also grabbed this little Essence Hello Good Stuff Glow Serum Primer. I haven't really heard anything about it, but it sounded interesting and I really want to try to get my foundation to be a bit more glowy and just more natural finish, because I feel like it's typically like pretty matte except from like where I highlight. So I will try this out and check back with you guys on that. And then I know I got these at Walmart. They were $3 each, I believe. And they're just little palettes. They're the bite-sized eyeshadow I Love You a Latte. I thought this would just be really good for those like more no makeup days that I just want something really light and simple, just like all matte neutrals. And this one is Rose Water. So kind of slightly rosy, but still neutral, not too crazy pink or anything. So I'm excited to try these out. That was everything that I have recently picked up. If you want to see a video dedicated to any of these products specifically, please let me know down below and I will work on that for you. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the family. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.